Hello, welcome back. So I'm supposed to be doing a whole bunch of jobs today and I'm trying to avoid them. So I thought somebody somewhere must be wanting to know how to make a bookmark with a pen holder on the side. So that's what I'm doing instead, because it seems far more important than sorting out boxes of junk. So I've got 3 pieces of fabric, 3 squares. They're all 4.5 by 4.5 inches. And I've got one that's 2.5 by 2.5. I've put a little bit of iron-on interfacing on the back of each one, and I've made sure it's 1/4 of an inch around the edges to reduce any bulk in the seams, and all 3 have got them on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with this piece and I'm going to fold it in half. And I'm going to sew along here. And I've got this piece, this will be the pen holder piece. It's 2.5 inches by 2.5 inches, and I've just folded it over by about 1/4 of an inch. And I'm going to go and I'm going to sew across here and across here. So I've got my front piece, my back piece, my corner piece and my pen holder bit. Put this piece on the corner, on the right hand corner. Put this piece, fold it in half, wrong sides together, and place it wherever it is you want it. Don't put it too close up here because we're going to turn it through. You want it somewhere in the middle. And then we'll put this piece on the top. And then clip it all together. So this is the side where the pen holder bit and the corner piece is. So over here on this side, where you've just got the 2 pieces of fabric there, this is where we're going to start sewing. But we want to leave an opening on this side from there to around there. So we're not going to sew in that bit. So I'm going to start here, I'm going to go all the way around and I'm going to finish here, and I'm going to do a back tack on each part at the start and finish. And I'm going to be sewing here next to the interfacing line. I'm going to snip off the corners nice and close. And then where we left that gap, use the gap to turn it through. Once you've turned it through, make sure all your corners are poked out well. And then we need to go and close this bit up. I'm going to give it a little press with the iron first. Right, let's go and close up this bit. I'm going to sew from here and start with the back tack, and then I'm going to go up to here and then down to here and finish here with a back tack. I'm not going to sew this bit because it'll stop it from going on the page as well. There we go, my machine started skipping stitches. It's time for a clean. So you pop it on there, your pen goes in there. What do you think? Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.